Yeah, Sharon, me sick like a dog.
Ma, I got you tea from the store because we were out of lemons.
Oh, thank you, my daughter.
No problem.
Boy. How can I see this? A poison, you try to poison me? I want little tea, my ask if you make me, I'm sick. I don't care to that for me, I'm not wicked. This is elderly abuse. Let's see what the tea make me do. Come out, man. I'm ungrateful. I'm sick. I don't care. Little, give me little food, little good tea. Come out of the room, man. Oh, pass me my phone. I left it in my room. Thanks. What the breakfast I asked you to make?
I was making eggs and it was the last one and I burnt them.
I saw you treat me. Don't worry yourself. You're not going to ask you for nothing again. I so move out and left you in your run. You can live by yourself. I'm going to live in a one condo. In a one bedroom. That me I going to do. Oh no! I'm going to send you to Rati. That me I tell you. Move from me before you kill me off in here. You're happy to me sick. That you
But
want.
Ma, I had to get you the tea and I left the eggs and I had forgot to turn the stove.
So what you want them for?
It was an accident.
I do it on purpose. You don't want to see me live. With a bad mind.
Why would you say that?
You don't want me dead. Let me tell you this. That not happen.
It was an accident.
That not happening. Move from before you try to do something to me. I don't trust you. Get away. Please, me soon move out. I'm going to live in a one bedroom. Can you please leave?
Okay.